How much can I earn on YouTube? If you've ever wondered that, stay tuned for the video. YouTube monetizes videos by displaying ads at the beginning, middle, and end. To qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, creators need 4,000 hours of watch time or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days, and 1,000 subscribers. Once accepted, YouTube shares a portion of ad revenue with creators. Earnings per 1,000 views, RPM, range from $1 to $30, with an average of $50. However, most channels typically earn between $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. The amount a channel earns depends on the niche it belongs to. Certain niches, such as finance, technology, and travel, have higher paying advertisers like Apple and Expedia. These advertisers are likely to place their ads on related videos, boosting RPM. Conversely, niches like pranks, scary videos, gaming, depending on the game, and general top 10 videos tend to have lower RPM. Creators can increase their earnings by creating videos longer than 8 minutes. YouTube allows multiple ad breaks in longer videos. Creators can strategically place these breaks to enhance viewer experience. However, it's essential to balance video length with content value. Long videos should provide substantial value, either educationally or entertainment-wise, to keep viewers engaged. Before we continue, I just want to introduce you guys to the My Fiverr account. So if you need video editor or thumbnail designer, check the link in comments. Additionally, some creators boost their earnings by selling digital products related to their channel content. For instance, a YouTube course or other informational products can significantly increase overall revenue. For example, consider a channel called Chills in the scary niche, receiving 6.5 million monthly views, assuming an RPM of $3. Considering the lower CPM of the niche, this channel would earn around $20,000 per month. Another channel, New Money, in the finance niche, with 1.9 million monthly views, could earn approximately $39,000 per month, with an estimated RPM of $20. Lastly, there are instances where channels like TechZone, focusing on technology, amass 46 million monthly views. With an RPM of $10, this channel could potentially earn nearly $500,000 per month, demonstrating the vast earning potential on YouTube. It's crucial for creators to understand RPM and CPM and leverage strategies like ad placement and digital product sales to maximize their earnings on the platform. That's it. If you want to know how to edit a viral video, check this out. And don't forget to subscribe.